Hello. Now we will look at another English vowel sound which is known as schwa, S-C-H-W-A, schwa. And it is represented both in IPA and BPA by this symbol, upside down E. Now, this is a mid-central English vowel sound. It is called mid-central because if you take this to be the mouth space taken from this side, you cut it off from here, then the tongue position while pronouncing this vowel sound, both in the vertical direction and in the horizontal direction should be in the middle. Vertical direction, it is to be here, and in the horizontal plane, it is to be here. So it is somewhere over here. Okay, try to imagine, feel your tongue inside your mouth. It shouldn't be up, it shouldn't be down, it shouldn't be in front, it shouldn't be behind. It should be just in the center. Okay, and also you should know that this is the most frequently used vowel sound in English speech. It happens all the time. So everybody must know that there's such a sound and know how to pronounce it, and also know where you have to use this sound. Okay? And interestingly, all the 5 English vowels, A, E, I, O, U, they can take the schwa sound in different English words. That is what we will look at now. Okay, first look at this word, A-G-A-I-N. And this is the BPA, where it is written as again, again. Here, A is taking the schwa sound. This is A-H-E-A-D. This is the word, and it's BPA. Ahead, ahead, very short duration. And this is another word, A-B-O-U-T, where A takes the schwa sound, about, not about. Here, D-I-A-L-O-G-U-E. Here, this A takes the schwa sound with the BPA of this pronunciation of this word. Dialogue, dialogue. See how long I pronounced it? Very short, very short. Dialogue. Empathy, E-M-P-T-H-Y, E-M-M-Pathy, pathy, not empathy, empathy. Here, A is taking the schwa sound. Emphasis, E-M-P-H-A-S-I-S. Here, A is again taking the schwa sound. Emphasis, not emphasis. Next, we look at some words where I takes the schwa sound. Sister. No, not I, E. S-I-S-T-E-R. Here, E is taking the schwa sound. T, t, not sister. K-I-N-L-E-S-S. Here, kin, less, not kin, less, not less, less. A-C-C-I-D-E-N-T. Accident. Here again, E is taking the schwa sound. Accident. It is not accident. Accident, accident. C-E-R-T-I-F-I-C-A-T-E. Here, this E takes the schwa sound here as S, and in this A takes the schwa sound. So certificate, certificate. Here, schwa sound and schwa sound. P-E-T-I-T-I-O-N. Here, this E is taking the Schwa sound, P, P, and this this O-N is taking the Schwa sound. It is pronounced as petition, petition. C-I-T-I-Z-E-N. Here, the E is taking the Schwa sound. Citizen, citizen, not citizen. A-I-R. Okay, here the vowel, English vowel I is taking the Schwa sound. A, A, A. Look at my tongue position. A, A. Mid-central position. Dairy, D-A-I-R-Y. Dairy. This I is taking the Schwa sound. Ability, A-B-I-L-I-T-Y. This A is taking the Schwa sound, and again the I is taking the Schwa sound. Ability, not ability, but ability. Q-U-A-L-I-T-Y. Here I is taking again the Schwa sound. Quality, quality, not quality, quality. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Here, I is taking the Schwa sound. Family. P-U-R-I-T-Y. Here, U is taking the Schwa sound, and I is taking the Schwa sound. Purity, purity. A-B-D-O-M-E-N. Abdomen. Here, O is taking the Schwa sound, and E is taking the Schwa sound. Abdomen. It is not abdomen. G-A-L-L-O-N. Gallon. Gallon. Not gallon. 1 gallon of water. No. S-E-L-D-O-M. This O is taking the Schwa sound. Seldom. Not seldom. Seldom. And finally, here's S-U-P-P-O-R-T, support. This U is taking the Schwa sound. Here, A-L-B-U-M. This U is taking the Schwa sound. Album, album, not album. D-E-P-U-T-Y, deputy, deputy. So here, U is taking the Schwa sound. So that is the end of this video, but we'll just recap. It is called mid-central vowel because the tongue position is in the center of the mouth space. And it is called Schwa, this English vowel sound. Very short duration, is the shortest duration English vowel sound. It is called Schwa, and it is written both in IPA and BPA as an upside down E, small e. And it is the most frequently used vowel sound in English speech because in English words, having A, E, I, O, U, all these English vowel letters, when pronounced, they can take the Schwa sound. Like here we had A taking the Schwa sound, here we had E taking the Schwa sound, here we had E taking the Schwa sound, here we had I taking the Schwa sound, here we had I taking the Schwa sound, here we had O taking the Schwa sound, and here we had U taking the Schwa sound. Okay, so I hope you'll be able to pronounce this sound in different English words. Then your English speech will become more intelligible, particularly to non-Bangladeshis, to other both native English speakers as well as non-native English speakers who are not from Bangladesh.